5 easy yoga poses for breastfeeding moms that will help increase breast milk. Number 1. Child's pose. Get down to a kneeling position and sit on your heels. Inhale and extend your spine. Now exhale while bowing forward until your head touches the floor. Stretch your arms forward with the palms facing the floor. Breathe gently and hold this position for a minute. To release the pose, take the support of your arms to sit back on your heels. Number 2. Cat's pose. Get down on your hands and knees. Place the hands under the shoulders and knees under the hips. Keep your spine in a neutral position. Lift your head and look straight ahead. Now, relax your shoulders. Exhale and raise your spine upward while tucking your tailbone inward. Now, lower your head towards the floor but not so much that your chin touches the chest. Breathe gently and draw your navel up to your spine. Number 3. Breath control. Sit in the cross-legged position with your spine in neutral. Press your right nostril with your right hand thumb to close it. Breathe in with your left nostril. Close the left nostril with your ring finger and release the right nostril. Now, exhale through the right nostril and then inhale deeply. Close the right nostril and exhale through the left nostril. Repeat all the steps again. You can try doing 10 repetitions. Number 4. Supported bridge pose. Lie on your back and bend your knees. Keep your feet 12 inches apart and at a comfortable distance from your hips. Keep your arms close to your hips. Inhale and press your shoulders and feet to the ground, and raise your hips. Stay in this position for 5 breaths and then lower your hips back to the ground. Number 5. Triangle pose. Stand erect and keep your feet 3 to 4 feet apart. Raise your arms by your side until they are parallel to the floor, with palms facing down. Turn your right foot 90 degrees outward, and left foot slightly inward. Exhale and bend from the waist towards the right. You can rest your palm on the shin or ankle or floor. Stay in this pose for up to 1 minute and then come back up while inhaling. Repeat the same process for the left side as well. Number 6. Downward facing dog. Place the hands under the shoulders and knees under the hips. Arch your spine down and lift your head up. Exhale and lift your hips. At the same time, straighten your elbows and knees. Your body would now form an inverted V position. Hold this position for a few seconds, then bend your knees and return back to normal position. Thank you for joining us today. Remember to take care of yourself during this beautiful journey.